Okay, and we are on task card 7. In the picture, there are many animal adaptations. Which of the following is most likely to result in a change in DNA? So these are just some different adaptations, and then it gives you an examples of different things that might cause a change in DNA. Remember, if something is short term, it cannot cause a change in DNA. If something is resulting in the extinction of a species, it cannot cause a change in DNA. Okay, so it's not going to cause an adaptation. Okay, so you're looking for something that's causing a change that's long term. Then it has the cane toad is an invasive species brought in for pest control that oozes a toxic substance. Predators in its native environment are immune to the toxic ooze. Which of the following is likely to result? Well, let's think about this. Cane toads are brought in for pest control, but they have a toxic substance that no predator is going to have immunity to. So, first of all, predators, it's going to take a long-term change for them to develop that immunity, right? That means what's going to happen to the population of the frogs and stuff. Okay, number 3, which of the following best explains why invasive species can cause such a devastating impact on the local ecosystem? So this is a lionfish, which were accidentally introduced to North America in an airline delivery for a pet industry and have spread throughout the Atlantic Ocean, Caribbean, and the Gulf of Mexico. So the thing to remember about invasive species is that they're not native to that ecosystem. Okay, so think back to our red squirrels, black squirrels, and coyotes. Our coyotes did not eat the gray squirrels. Why? Because that wasn't their natural food source. Okay? Okay, let's look at number 4. Radiation exposure can cause mutation. Which of the following would cause an adaptation to occur? So let's think about this. We said for an adaptation to happen, what has to be true about the mutation? It has to have the 2 H's, okay? So it has to have the 2 H's. Look in your notes. What does the adaptation have to be passed on? Well, think about this. If it's harmful, it's going to cause you to die, and you're not going to have babies, so you're not going to be able to pass it on. So that already lets out one of them. Okay, so look in your notes. Explain why short-term impacts like floods, droughts, and fires cannot cause adaptation. How long does adaptation take? How long does those impacts last? Okay, that's our hint video for this task card.